$22.46. All right, so as you come in, basically you just see a wild empty space, but you can probably store luggage here. Something. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So it's a little hallway. We've got a closet here. And you see you have your ironing board, your luggage rack, top your iron, the usual. Got a safe inside the closet. Cool. Okay, your thermostat is over here to adjust. This is the light switch for the hallway. All right. Of course, your TV is on. Nice size dresser. Okay. Deep drawers. So you got 3 drawers here. Let's see what is here. Oh, you got a refrigerator. You got a mini fridge here. Okay. So your Keurig is here with the coffee stuff. Cool. And some more drawers. They're empty, of course. You have a bench with a mirror. The mirror will get almost a full length. And then you have a bench there with a nice little desk. Nice picture over it. Got your lamp here. And you have a couple sets. You have a couple of sets of outlets here. Okay. And over by the lamp, there are more outlets. Okay. Zoom out. Nice view of a lagoon, outside a small lagoon. Looks like the front view. Got a nice little chair. Looks like someone was sitting by the window. Couple of lamps. You have a reader lamp above the head of the bed. So we got a double queen. So it's the bed. Both the beds. You got a night table over here with more plugs and more outlets. Cool. There are no outlets or USB ports on your clock or anything. All right, now we're gonna go to the bathroom. And in here, you have, a full-length mirror. Ooh, nice. See, full-length mirror. Lights. Okay. You have a makeup mirror with another mirror here. It's a nice little space on your sink storage under with your towels and your hair dryer. Oh, looks like we have a sliding door for the bathroom. Okay. Of course, your towel rack where you can hang the towel. You got your towel. Oh, they have soap in here with your shampoos and your shower gel. Your throat. All right. So far, it's a beautiful hotel. So I'll give you some more videos of it as we go along. But this is Loews Royal Resort in Orlando, Florida.